How to disable and remove Cloudflare from your domain in cPanel. We recommend that you first change your domain name servers from Cloudflare to your preferred name servers. It will minimize downtime. Let's learn how to disable and remove Cloudflare from a domain. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Software section and click Cloudflare. Click to sign in, then enter your Cloudflare email address and password to log in. Click the Domains menu. Scroll down and click the Remove Domain from Cloudflare button. That's it. Cloudflare is removed from the domain in cPanel. Thank you for watching.